Hi, I'm Alina from DIY Garden, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at this Mower twin 18-volt lawnmower. So this lawnmower is powered by two 18-volt batteries, and together they give you a runtime of about half an hour, and they take about 2 hours to fully charge. The charger takes both batteries at the same time. Over here we've got cutting height adjustments. You've got 7 different heights to choose from, and the lowest is 25 millimeters and the highest is 75 millimeters. And then we've got this collection basket back here. It's 50 litres in size, which is really good compared to all of the other cordless lawnmowers I've tested. It's much bigger, and you can also adjust the handle height as well. 3 different handle height settings to choose from. Another really cool feature that this lawnmower has is this button over here. If you press it, it tells you how much battery life you've got left, which saves you from having to go to the bottom, take the batteries out and pressing the batteries directly. Okay, let's turn the lawnmower on. So to do that, you press this button here and you pull back on this. Lawnmower's back wheels, they are a lot bigger than the front wheels, which makes it really easy to maneuver the lawnmower over rough ground, bumps. It's just amazing for all terrain. And the fact that it's cordless means you can take it anywhere. So in this part of my garden I don't have an electricity supply, which this lawnmower is absolutely perfect for that.